Yeah, certainly. So Kepler's been a long, I would say, partner of Opensee. So it started probably a little bit about 18 months ago. We were looking at expanding our use cases. As you know, Opensee is traditionally was born in the XVA space, doing heavy calculations with big data and tackling market risk. And we saw this opportunity of the ability to really tackle something new, which is trade and market data. Here we saw the possibility of tackling, I would say, intraday trade analytics, and use obviously our expertise in helping people analyze market venues and possibly even monetize how they utilize data today.
One of the biggest challenges we're facing is actually being able to take data from a wide spectrum of sources with different velocities and different volumes and normalize this data in a common model in order to provide simple, intuitive access through data exploration interfaces and APIs. Opensee is significantly more performant than our existing platform. It can analyze millions of data in seconds, and therefore it allows us to give our front office staff real-time explorative access to our trade analytics platforms. The solution will allow our clients to evaluate the impact of their trading strategies and also provide in-depth analysis of the effectiveness of their trade executions. Trading constant market impacts are calculated on an individual trade basis in real time.
The solution that we provide to Kepler Cheuvreux is not only suitable for cash equities. I think that was just a start. I believe it's an asset agnostic solution. The reason I think we tackle that is because of the expertise. Being Europe's biggest independent broker, we wanted to see how can we really pinpoint, specifically market venues. The ability to say, okay, what's going on at, Zetra versus ICE versus different, markets. And here obviously cash equities lend itself very much to that use case. So I don't believe that these challenges are unique to Kepler. I think it applies to the whole industry of brokerage and anybody that does trading, to be quite honest. At the end of the day, right now more and more companies like Kepler are trying to apply, I would say, data for either post analysis, but now I would argue they can do it for two other things, which is one is to monetize their data, and the third one to do predictive analysis. So the ability to now learn from the past and see what happened at a specific point of time, drill down and really gain insights. Those insights, I think, is what before, I would argue, would have been very static. It would have been very cumbersome to get them. Right now, I think the ability to give them at the fingertips and really go back in time and amass, and tap into different silos, I think that's what makes a difference. So again, it is applicable to any jurisdiction beyond, obviously, the European markets, and more, I believe, the tsunami of data that people are getting day in day is just going to increase. So I truly believe that, again, it is applicable to many different use cases as well.